that which is to be found nowhere else on earth. Hawaii is full of that.
Rodeo is kind of like my everything.
She's torn because she wants to go to the mainland, but she really wants to. Our culture, our language, she's one who holds that so close.
People look to the mountains and they think our native insects are up there, our forest birds are up there, our beautiful snails are up there, but the animals aren't there. They're being erased.
Kumu is the idea that all trees become our teachers. This is what Niu now is about.
2/3 of the production of this ranch comes off of 30-day revocable permits. Nothing can replace the way I feel when I come out here and I look at this land and know that it's because of what we did.
New York is the biggest stage in fashion. So to be able to show that we can do it, we can do fashion, and to be there is an honor.
C'est énorme cette vague, wow. Étant petite, elle avait tout le temps peur des grosses vagues.
Bah, ça arrêté juste à cause de quelques garçons qui te disaient « Ah non, toi t'es une fille, tu peux pas faire ça ».